I would highly suggest you add a background that isn't going to take attention away from you or your teaching content that you have displayed on your screen. So I'm going to move this out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. Next, we want to add a camera. If you don't want students to see you and only the content that you present, you can go ahead and skip to the next step. So if you want to add a camera, we will press the plus button again and we will select video capture device. You should be under create new here and we're going to rename it camera. This is so that we don't get confused later. Under device, you want to go ahead and select the camera that you want to use. Do not select OBS camera. We need to leave that alone for right now, and we're going to get to that in a bit. After you've selected your camera that you're going to use, whether that be your front-facing camera or a USB camera that you have hooked up, go ahead and press OK at the bottom of your window.
OBS camera. We
Now,
need to
what we
leave
wanna
that
do is we wanna
alone
go back
for
to
right
the
now.
plus button, and we want to add window
we're gonna
capture.
get to that.
This is going to show a window that you want to present, such as a Google Slides presentation, a website, Google Classroom, whatever online web page you want to show your students. So we're going to name this internet browser to avoid any confusion. We're going to click OK. And then under window, we have a list drop down options here. You want to click your internet browser. When you do that, you're going to press OK. And then here we have my internet browser with my presentation shown on the screen. You want to make sure that you have your internet browser pulled up before you go ahead and do this setting, so that way the program can recognize what window is what. And just to let you know, you can have one window open from the internet to project to your students that you want them to see, and then you can have a separate